So the question is, how is this touchless fared up against the original? So let's have a look at the vehicle and find out. So I'm looking around at the front there. Yeah, it does want a proper wash, because obviously this will only come off with a sponge or whatever. Wheels want a proper wash on them, but it's done quite well on them, considering. Not bad. Now the original stuff would have took that off. Fair due. You can see the residue still on there a little bit. Not as bad as it was, considering how dirty it was. Once again, it's not that bad really. It's not the same as the original. The original one would have wiped it straight off, but like I said, the original one was quite corrosive. On the back here, obviously I picked up some shit now, but that's practically clean, and it just lingers on the back, the dirt would do anyway. So generally speaking, I'm going to call it with that touchless. A lot of people swear by it. I'm going to say it's a very good product. If this one's 10 out of 10, this touchless, I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. All right. Would I use this again? Yeah, I would. I've still got lots of trials for other products, but I don't think it's going to come up to this one, and nothing beats this one. Bilt Hamber, once again, top company. Professionals use it because it is really good. And if you're liking this type of content, please subscribe and please share, and don't forget there's a link up there if you want to buy me a coffee. And we'll see you again very shortly on Auto Clean Truths. Laters!